In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful tutorial on how to manually install any Epson printer driver in your Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to bring up your Google Chrome browser. So open it, and the moment you have opened it, wait until you'll get to see a search bar before we proceed. Once it's here, please type for Epson space printer space driver and then click on the enter key in your keyboard so that you would be navigated to the list of results. So there you can see this get support for your printer under Epson.com, which is the official website for Epson. Click on that one. And the moment you click on it, wait until you would be navigated to this new page where you can get to see this printer. So by that, you need to scroll down and there you can see this kind of search bar where you can search by product name. So all you need to do is you need to enter the product name. Let's say for example, Epson L360 in my case. So just have to type the product name here. Okay. So then the moment you have typed the product name, please click on the search here, aligning to it. And in that way, you'd be able to refresh this page again and wait until you'd be able to see that list of product search results. So I can see it here, which is in the first Epson L360. Click on that one. So just have to go with the result that you have entered as the product name. Okay. So by that, you would be navigated to your printer driver itself, the product or the printer driver that you have searched. All you need to do is you need to wait until you would be able to see a drop-down menu below where you can manually select the operating system. So once it's here, you need to navigate to this one, click on this down arrow key, and please choose for Windows 11 and click on the Go button next to it. So you'd be able to refresh the page again. Just have to wait until you'll get to see the option where you can see the printer driver or the driver itself, which contains the Epson L360. So by that, you'll be able to see this one. Go with drivers, click on it, and there you can see the printer driver. Click on this download option aligning to it, and eventually you'll be navigated to this new tab where here it will ask you first to agree on the license agreement before we can continue on the downloading. So go with accept, and eventually you need to go with keep, and you can now start the downloading process. So kindly wait until this would be done before we continue or before we moved on to the extraction of this file. Okay, so once done, click on this folder icon to show it into the location where it is being placed to. So the next step that you need to do is you need to make a right click, click on this cat icon, close the windows being opened, And here at the desktop, please make a right click and click on paste. Once you have pasted the file here, we will now proceed to the extraction. So there are two ways in how to extract or unzip the file. You can double tap and in that way you'd be able to extract or unzip it. Or either make a right click and use the WinRAR tool to extract this one. So by that, go with WinRAR and go with extract to L360. Once you're good, okay, you'll be able to create a file folder here. That would mean that we will now proceed to the installation. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe and give this video a thumbs up so you won't miss any of our upcoming tutorial. We would really appreciate your support. Here at the start, make a right click, scroll up and click on the settings. Okay, so here at the settings, directly navigate to the left side. There you can see the Bluetooth and devices. Click on this one. Once you've clicked on it, you need to proceed to the printers and scanners and you'll get to see this option called Add Device. Click on it. Once you click on it, wait until you get to reveal another option where you can manually add a printer driver. Once it's here, please click on Add Manually. And by that, please choose for add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Click on Next. Click on this down arrow key and use among of these three USB ports. It could be one, two, or three. So go with Next the moment you've set it. Go with Have Disk and click on Browse. In this window where you can locate the file, go with Desktop. And from that, you need to scroll down and select your extracted file. So double tapped again until you'll get to see this driver. Select on it. Go with open and click on the OK button. Once you're good, eventually you'll be able to see the printer that you have searched or that you have downloaded earlier. Go with Epson L360. Just have to try to rename that so you can now start the installation the moment you click on next. Now, all you need to do is you need to wait until this would be finished. Okay, so once done, please click on next. Go with finished and there you have that you have just successfully installed the Epson 360 printer driver in your Windows 11. So if you think this video had helped you a lot then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day everyone.